KB Home is out, and Diana Ehrlich has it for us. Hi, Diana.
Hi, Will. Yeah, nice beat for KB Home. The earning came in at 73 cents a share. The street was looking for 66. That's on revenue of $1.16 billion. That's pretty much in line, but net orders were up 24% to 3,325. That was higher than expected. Also, deliveries higher than expected, and average selling price actually slightly lower. Now, the CEO, Jeff Metzger, said that we were extremely pleased with the strength of our third quarter, led by a 24% rise in net orders and double-digit increases in each of our 4 regions. He said, notably during the quarter, we achieved a community absorption pace of 4.3 net orders per month, surpassing last year's robust performance, while at the same time increasing prices in about 90% of our communities. Now, we have seen demand on the low end very strong, and builders saying that they're trying to build more entry-level homes, but clearly they're being able to raise prices in some of these areas. We did get new home sales today and saw that, again, the homes that are selling are on the move up to the luxury segment of the market. The lower priced homes, very, very small percentage of this market today. So newly built homes are clearly for the move up and the luxury sectors at this time. KB, though, coming in again at a beat on that. And also it was upgraded today by Buck Horne at Raymond James. I spoke to him this morning. He said that he really feels that there is a lot more room to grow for KB Home. He said notably that the big drop in mortgage rates started in May above 4%, around 4.3% on the 30-year fix. And by August, we were down to about 3.5%. So that really gave a boost to the builders over the summer. And you can see that in these earnings. They expect demand to continue through the fall. I asked him about the little bump up we're seeing in mortgage rates right now. He said he does not expect it to have a huge impact because we're still considerably lower on the 30-year fix than we were a year ago. So KB Home, also CEO, saying he expects to have a very strong end to the year as well. So again, a nice beat. Back to you guys.
Diana, I was just going to follow up and ask you about how long we can expect this boom, really, that we're seeing in home sales as a result of low mortgage rates, whether that can continue as long as rates stay below a certain level, or if history says anything about whether it's just a spurt.
That's the key. That's the key. But remember, we're also getting into some very easy comps because last fall, mortgage rates really shot up to about 5%. And that's when home builders really saw their sales plummet. And at the end of the year, I remember a couple of analysts saying that it was the worst they'd seen in years. So the comps now are going to be very easy going forward into fall toward the end of the year. Now, if mortgage rates should pop up significantly, that could hurt. Remember, newly built homes come at a price premium. But again, you are seeing very strong demand. We also have very, very low supply of existing homes for sale, especially on the low end. So people are then looking toward the new homes. But we did see in the new home sales report today a drop in supply of newly built home for sale. So you really need to see the builders start to ramp up their construction. Housing starts and permits were pretty strong in August. Like to see them a little stronger to see all that demand coming in. They're going to have, something to give them. As we saw, the backlogs here are up a bit as well. So builders should ramp up. If mortgage rates go up, we'll see what buyers can afford.
Okay, Diana, thank you very much for that. The stock initially did dip. We'll get the stock price up for you in just a moment.